Hi friends and family, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Glossy Box. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer. I do unboxing or subscription unboxing and mystery box unboxing. I am a newer channel, so I'd love it if you would like, subscribe, comment, and consider being part of our friends and family. So Glossy Box is a monthly subscription that is $21 a month. You receive 5 to 6 deluxe or full-sized items. They're in their beauty and makeup, and occasionally some other things may be thrown in the box as well. So I have not opened my box yet. Everything is going to be my first reaction and initial responses. I have not seen any sneak peeks or any other videos, so I do not know what's in this box. I'm excited for you guys to open this with me, and the only thing that I do know is what the box looks like, and they always make these adorable cute boxes. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, I haven't even have the seal, and look at this. And they do always kind of throw in like they do some networking, you know, this is a Geico, say 15% or more, so there you go, free advertising. Here is the box, and it memories. Look at how adorable this box is. It's a little tape. Oh man, and even the back is designed. How cute is this? I love the technology today of being able to have like Spotify and all of that, because we didn't have that in our day. Like, this is like, we would have to, before a song was released, we would try to have to catch it on the radio before the commercials, and it was like they were always talking through like the first half of the song, and so you had to like get perfect timing, or else you just have to wait for it to release as a single, or wait for the whole album to drop. So yeah, totally different nowadays. You guys are so lucky you don't have to do that. So anyway, a cute adorable box. I love Glossy Box for this reason. Their boxes are always so amazing and incredibly well made. They're fun to keep. And they always smell good to me. I feel like they smell like a bubble bath, like from my childhood. But it smells so good, and it's just, they're such good quality. You can reuse them for anything. All right, let me stop rambling. You do get the little pamphlet that will tell you about the pricing, how to use the items, etc. And they always do this cute little adorable ribbon. And it's just so much fun because it's like unwrapping your own gift. So there's that. Oh, and this time they did a different type of paper. So they always do such a great job with their packaging. So let me open this up so I can be ready to tell you what we're getting and what the prices are. So yeah! Oh, look at this. Sneaky peek. Very beautiful. Okay, so first thing in here I'm going to grab is the Pearl Brightening Sleep Mask. So it comes in this cool little pouch. You can, which I think this is a great idea for, I know this is probably, what is this, a deluxe? Oh no, this looks like it is a full size. But this is I like the idea of this because you can use it more, because the deluxe sizes you can usually use more than once, and it would be nice to have a little lid to tighten on if they don't come in the little tubes. But anyway, super cool. I'm excited to use this. This is from Lap Coats. So yeah, full-size item. And there's a little bit of a glare just because it's such a light color. This says it is a 2-in-1 formula that brightens, tones and exfoliates your skin overnight for a smooth, even complexion in the morning. Apply evenly across the face as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine and cleanse in the morning. So full size retail value is $6. And that's the other thing I forgot to mention. This box, even though it's $21 a month, we usually get about $60 worth of product. And it's not like your bigger subscriptions, but it is still definitely worth the price. I think just the box itself is worthy of the $21, and then of course all of the fun items we get. So that's just a little side note. So we got that. The next thing I see in here is an Avant hyaluronic argan oil, pomoni and sweet almond, velvet perfecting rose sugar lip scrub. So I'm excited for a lip scrub because my lips are so dry right now in the winter. This says it is a full-size item and it is retailed at $71, so well above like the $50-$60 mark that I was thinking that this box might be. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's velvet protecting rose sugar lip scrub, and of course like it has the little tube thing. So let's go ahead and put it on the skin. It has it has a very light scent. I can't even it smells more of like a coconutty scent more than the pomoni or rose. But it's, of course, it's just a clear, you can see there, it's clear. Let's see if it's sticky. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky. I don't know if you can see that. It is a scrub. You can feel a little sugar in there. Let's see, how do we use this? Buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, fresh, and youthful lips with this sugar scrub filled with anti-inflammatory ingredients and antioxidants, perfect for creating a smooth canvas for your lipstick. Apply to lips with fingertip and massage. Leave on lips for 1 to 2 minutes and pat dry with a towel. Follow with a lip balm. I love this. I'm definitely going to give this a try. I'm excited for that. $71, like yikes. Full size. So far we have 2 full-size items. That's amazing. Amazing. It's from a movie. All right, now I'm curious about what this little box is. Moisture cream, prickly pear, and probiotic for dry skin. SYS superfood for your skin. I've never heard of this. I'm not sure what it is exactly. So let's read thy book. Deluxe mini moisturizing cream with obviously prickly pear. In this cream is the perfect addition to your daily skincare regimen. It'll leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. Apply evenly all over your face for cleansing in the morning and evening. Deluxe size is 20 mLs for $19.99. Full size would be 50 mLs for $39.99. So still got a good value going on here. I'm not sure if I should open this one. So here's this. A nice size tube. Again, it was the 20 mLs, and let's see. Okay, so it doesn't have a seal, so we'll go ahead and give her a whirl. Let's see what that is like. It's your regular, like, creamy cream, clear. Oh yeah, feels good. Let's see. Not much of a scent. In fact, I think the scent I'm smelling is from the lip scrub, but feels nourishing. It does feel very nourishing on the skin. I do like that. I do think I want to give this one a try. I do have several creams that I'm currently using, but again, these seem, well, this one may last a little longer, but sometimes they only last like maybe, 4 days or so if you're applying regularly. So this is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a whirl. Give it a whirl, a twirl. And then it looks like we have this duo. You know how I am about duos. double prizes. Woo! Ooh, double prizes. Okay, so what is it though? It is a strengthening shampoo and a strengthening conditioner. So I'm all about, I love that they gave you both because that's how I like to try the line of the product. I don't want to just have a conditioner unless it's like a leave-in conditioner, but if it's regular conditioner, it's nice to have the shampoo along with that so that you can have the full experience. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, girl? All right, so what is it though? It is it's a repairing shampoo and conditioner that's formulated with patchouli. It's not, it looks like I want to say patchouli, but it's not. It's patchouli oil, I think, from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. Wow. I don't know if you know, but yeah, my hair can be unruly sometimes. Today I did the curly curl do instead of straightening because I didn't want to put in the work. I didn't want to put in the time. So, unruly hair. I wake up with unruly hair all the dang time. So anyway, I'm excited to try this. Obviously, these are the deluxe mini set. $8 each. Full size is $47. I believe it's each. I don't think it would be $8 total or $47 total, but they didn't say each, so that's the disclaimer. Oh, look at how adorable these little bottles are. Oh my gosh, you can use these for crafts afterwards or something. You can, you know, maybe you can wash them. I don't know if they're dishwasher safe. Throw some, you know, alcohol, put it in your bra, put it in your purse. Okay, I'm on a whole other level. It's not even the weekend. Okay, so here is that cute little duo. Double prizes. Look how cute they are. Okay, so this is the shampoo. We'll go ahead and give it a sniff test. Oh, that does smell good. It smells like any other shampoo. Clean, refreshing scent, like that. Okay, let's see about the conditioner, because you know the conditioner is where it's at. Yeah, they smell about the same. Oh yeah, I think they're gonna smell delicious and very clean. I love that clean, fresh scent. So again, I guess we'll go ahead and call this $16 for the set, for the double prizes, the duo. And then we have one more item, which, oh, this is lovely. Bella Pierre, which I love Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Comes in this cute little tube. Or, well, it's not a tube, it's just this cute little thing. And it looks like it is loose pigment in the color Wow. And that's exactly what I said. I was like, wow, this is gorgeous. Shimmer powder, Wow. Oh, you can get Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish. And we got Wow. So eliminate your best features with this long-lasting, vibrant powder without smears, creases, or fading. Perfect as an eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, and more. Ooh, I never thought of it as a lip color. Okay, it does have the seal. Let me go ahead and grab my tweezers, twizzlers, twiddly dozzers. I don't know. Oops, and I pulled off the little thing. What in the world am I trying to do? Oh, this is gorgeous. So it's one of these. I would kind of like this on top of my blush. I think that would be really pretty because it's got that pink color. Oh yeah, this would be, ooh, I might use this on my eyeshadow look today. So here's the swatch on thy finger, if the camera wants to pick that up. Gorgeous. So it looks like this is the only makeup item that we received, which is okay. All of the other, I'm trying to do a swatch, but it like, I don't want to get too much out and then have a mess on my desk. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, look at that color. Oh yeah. I love it. Love, love, love this. I haven't really been into pigmented powder, but I've been liking these. Okay, so we're going over time, so let's go ahead and do a quick recap. So we got the Bella Pierre illuminating powder. We got the double duo prizes of the shampoo and conditioner from Patua, P-A-T-A-U-A. We've got this face brightening sleeping mask. We got the lip scrub, and we've got the superfood moisturizing cream. So we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 items this time, and I'm guessing that's just because this was a duo. So normally I think it is 5 products. So give me just a second to go ahead and tally that up because you guys received my first impressions. So we're gonna go ahead and tally her up. So we've got $71 for the lip scrub, $19.99 for the superfood, $16 for the shampoo and conditioner, $15 for Bella Pierre illuminating powder, and $6 for the sleeping mask. So this box came out to $127.99. This was an expensive box, you guys. Like, BoxyCharm doesn't usually go over $100. They're usually between like $60 and $90. So this was a really good box. I'm happy with it. I'm very pleased. I love the style of the box. All of the subscription information will be listed down below. I may or may not receive points, and the only reason I say that is because I don't honestly know if I actually get them, even though they say that they do. Sometimes it seems like people sign up and I never get the points. So anyway, there's that, and I will see you guys in my next video.